Hi, my name is Maryann and I am one of the Stop Smoking advisors in Powys. The reason that I do this job is that I know how hard it can be to quit smoking, and there is an expectation that this is going to happen automatically when women become pregnant. However, this is not always the case. I want to be able to ensure women are offered the right support at the right time with the right products to help them to quit and have a safer pregnancy.
Quitting smoking at any stage of your pregnancy has health benefits for you and for your baby. Even after just one day of not smoking, your baby will get more oxygen. This will help your baby's lungs develop well. Quitting also lowers your chances of baby having a low birth weight.
We are here to provide a service to help women to quit smoking during their pregnancy. With the HMQ Baby Service here in Powys, we offer a non-judgmental, compassionate support to women who are pregnant and smoking at the time. We can offer NRT along with behaviour support as well. This is to support the quit attempt and reduce the risk of smoking-related issues in pregnancy, and to increase the benefits of being pregnant and smoke-free. The way we do this is by the midwives referring you into the service automatically. So you will blow into a CO monitor with your midwife, and if that monitor shows that there is a high level of carbon monoxide, it will trigger an automatic referral to us, and we can let you know what support we can offer you to quit smoking.